Hey, what's up everyone, Argho here with another 2-minute tutorial. If you want me to make this kind of videos in Bengali or Hindi, let me know in the comment section below. So, what's a digital business card and why do you need one? Digital business card is like a regular business card, but here all contact informations are linked. Many businesses ask this kind of cards to send their customers over email, social media or WhatsApp. So customers can find all the links or profiles in one place. Designers charges around 1500 to 3000 rupees to make this kind of cards. The process: I am using Adobe Illustrator to design this card. You can use your favorite software, Affinity, PowerPoint, Paint, etc. Here's the thing I want to add on this card: my business name, products and services I offer, phone and WhatsApp number, address via Google Maps. I also send a separate brochure for my products and services, so I am not linking my social media accounts on this, but you can do that. Now download the icons of phone, WhatsApp, address, etc. from Google. Make sure they are transparent PNG images. If they are not transparent, check my video how to create a transparent image under 1 minute. Add all icons and infos alongside it. Use a nice background. Now save it as PDF on Illustrator. Now it is the time to add links. I use an online PDF editor called PDFscape. You can use this software or softwares like Adobe Acrobat Pro. Now click on Add Links and go to the zone where you want to add link. Click and hold your left mouse button and drag. A box will be created. Now add link on that box. Click OK and done. You added a hyperlink on this PDF. Now add all links on every zone where you want people to click. Check my description for the links type for phone call, email and maps, etc. Now you are thinking that there are boxes damaging the design. Don't be afraid, it will not be on our final image. This will hide the boxes and doesn't affect on the link. Now save it as PDF on your computer, send it to your friend, and that is how you design a digital business card under 2 minutes. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.